Hey guys, welcome back. So for today's Valentine's Day makeup look, as you can see, I already have my foundation and concealer on. So I'm going to go straight in with a W7 contour stick. So as you can see, I'm applying the lighter shade to the high points of my face. And then for the darker color, I'm just popping that around the perimeters of my face as well. Then I'm going to buff all of that in using the Magnetone brush. Then using the W7 Selfie Powder, I'm going to pat that all over the skin to mattify and then also go under my eyes as well. And then to bronze up my skin, I'm going to be using the Guerlain Terracotta Bronzer. This is one of my absolute favourites. Then using the W7 Matte Me Blush Blusher, I'm going to be applying that to the apples of my cheeks. And then using this highlighter shade from the Marco Highlighting Palette, I'm going to be popping that to the high points of my face and on my Cupid's bow. Then using the same blush as before, since it's matte, I'm going to be popping that in my crease to act as a transition for our eye look. I'm then going to take the NYX Full Coverage Concealer Pot and I'm going to cut the crease by applying that to my lid. And then using the same powder as before, I'm just going to set that concealer in place. Then using this lighter shade from the W7 Eye Cushions palette, I'm going to be applying that all over the lid. And then packing that blusher just on the outer corner again, just to really deepen the outer corner. I'm then going to take this pink shade from the Marco Highlighting palette and pop that on my inner corner. I'm then going to take a foundation brush and just sharpen up the wing of my eye look. I'm then going to apply the W7 Lashes Gelure Mascara to my top and bottom lashes, focusing mostly on the outer corner to give them a fluttery look. I'm then going to be lining my lips using the W7 Lip Twister Liner in the shade Very Nude, and then filling them in with the High Definition Lip Gloss. Then just to bring that back a bit, I'm going to blot that down using my Real Techniques sponge, and that is the finished look. As always, if you enjoyed this video, then please do give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you do want to see more. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.